Greetings. I want to talk to you about a pop-up that we always were getting in sales order entry about the order having make direct releases without a job link. And in our situation, customer service was not responsible for creating or scheduling all of the jobs on the job floor. That was actually handled by planners, and we had MRP running at night or net change during lunch, and then it would create unfirmed jobs that we needed. If we needed a job in a hurry, it was always up to that planner because they were the people who were actually scheduling our plant operations to have these jobs be completed. But customer service, on the other hand, almost every one of our parts were make direct, so they were just always getting these pop-ups. So I'm going to show you how you can change that if that situation pertains to you as well, and it's without any type of customization. So what I'm doing is I'm showing you that there's this part 8400S-119, and at the site level, it is set up as a non-stock item. When it's flagged non-stock here, it's either going to be make or buy direct on the sales order release based on whether it's manufactured or purchased. In this case, because it's manufactured, we're going to need a job to fulfill this demand. And because it's non-stock, it's going to be a direct job on the sales order release. So I'm going to put in a sales order. I'm going to grab my part number and copy it here. And we're in the demo database, so I'm going to go ahead and use Dalton as my customer. And I'm going to make this PO before checkbox cleared. And I will save this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a line. And you can see I'm in the Kinetic 2024 screens. This also works in earlier versions of Epicor, going back as far as I can remember. So I'm going to put this part number in, and I'm going to say that I want 2 of these, and I will save it. And now if I go back out of order entry to look at my list, you can see I'm getting this pop-up warning here. Order has make direct releases without a job link. Use order job wizard to see which releases require the links. Return to order. Well, I don't want to return to the order, and every time I go into the order, it pops up this warning, and it is a little annoying. And as a customer service person entering in an order, I should not be putting in the order job wizard for this situation. So I'm going to just say no. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up site configuration. And for my site, this is the manufacturing system site. And there is a box in here that says suppress sales order make direct warnings. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to save this. And now let's go ahead and create a new sales order. We can use Dalton again. And this is after. And let's save it to get our order number. And I'm going to go ahead and add a line. Add a line. Again, I'll make 2 because this is make direct. And I'm going to save it. And I'm going to go back out to my grid. And voila, I do not have any make direct releases without a job link warnings, and I can go on about my day. So I would recommend checking this box in your company if you are either running MRP or you have your planning team actually creating the jobs for the demand rather than having order entry keep having those pop-ups. Hope this helps you out. Have a great day.